You know what? Listening to you brings something to mind. Maybe he can't get it done. I know we focused on everything else. With the Green Bay Packers. And we talked about the roster management, the disrespect. And look, I have never disagreed with you on the Green Bay Packers handling of the man off the field. The thing that I've disagreed with so many people about is the team was good enough to go to NFC championships.
Yeah.
So somebody was doing a good job putting this roster together.
No,
but let me get to my second point based on something that you just said. My issue is this. You had a year. We've listened to Aaron Rodgers all year talk about the relationship is getting better. I like Matt LaFleur. I know his coach, Nathaniel Hackett, left and went to the Denver Broncos. All of the things that led up to this particular offseason, as we sit here on every damn show on ESPN trying to figure out what Aaron Rodgers is going to do, we shouldn't be here, S.A. We should not be here with Aaron Rodgers after the tumultuous offseason last year and the decisions that the Green Bay Packers made to make him happy. And then you had an entire year to work with Gutekunst, to work with Mark Murphy, to work with Matt LaFleur, to look at this roster and understand the things that you need in order to try to go win a championship, which I'm not 100% agreeing on everybody with that with. And now people talking about, well, the season just ended. He's trying to decompress and make his mind up. Bro, we was going through this in 2020.
Yeah.
No, Marcus, I feel your pain, but let me get in here because you said you think he leaves. So do you think Denver is the right spot for him? And Stephen A., I want you to piggyback.
I think Denver would be a great spot. I know the consensus is you don't go to the AFC with the heat that's in that division. But like Stephen A. calls him all the time, a bad man. You should be the force multiplier, as people use. So, look, Denver has a young roster. They have a tremendous amount of talent offensively. Defensively, they've done a phenomenal job. And now his coach, a guy that he's worked in unison with for a number of years, is leading the way there. So, yeah, it would be a good spot. And miss me with you got to compete with Mahomes and Justin Herbert. You want to make it easier. At some point, you're going to see them. At some point, you're going to see them. Nobody said that when Joe Burrow was taking Cincinnati to the Super Bowl when he was getting drubbed every game against the pass rush, getting his head decapitated in every single game and ended up going to the Super Bowl out of the AFC. So let's pause on that whole scenario that he shouldn't go there because it's difficult. The bottom line is this. When you point to Aaron Rodgers in this Green Bay Packers situation, he should already know what he's doing and not put these people on, even have them in a waiting game or go ahead.
Marcus, do you see the shades? Do you see the shades?
Cardi B
let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I put on the shades.
He only wears Cartier.
I put on the shades, Marcus Spears, Swagoo. I put on the shades, Molly Q. You know why? Because y'all got me to my Ric Flair mode. Whoa! To beat a man, you've got to beat the man, okay? You don't want to hear about Patrick Mahomes, Justin Herbert, Derek Carr being in the NFC West. You know why? Because I'm supposed to be that dude. That's why. Whoa! To beat a man, you got to beat the man. And that's what Aaron Rodgers is supposed to do. It's supposed to be this right here. You understand what I'm saying? It's supposed to be about all of that. It's supposed to be about the bling. It's supposed to be about the Jets. It's supposed to be about jet flying, son of a gun. Whoa! That's how you're supposed to have that kind of attitude. And the fact that Aaron Rodgers, anybody that thinks he's supposed to hesitate to be a part of the AFC, it doesn't matter. When you're that man, it's not supposed to matter where you at, who you represent, or anybody, because it's not about anybody else. It's supposed to be about you. Whoa.
Preach, OG. Preach, OG. Preach, OG. Molly, I ain't got nothing to say. The OG just laid down the sermon.
Stephen A., waking me up early. Before we move on to the NBA and we say goodbye to Marcus for a second, though, Stephen A., what do you think? Do you want him to stay in Green Bay, or would you rather him go to Denver?
My honest answer to that question at this moment, I don't give a damn.
Okay.
I'm so sick.
And we do not care.
And tired of all of this. I don't care where he's at. Just make a decision.
Okay.
Because I'm tired of talking about him.
Okay.
The fact of the matter is he lost in the divisional playoff game. When I watched the NFC Championship game, I saw the Rams. I saw the 49ers. When I watched the Super Bowl, I saw the Rams. I saw the Bengals. I ain't seen Aaron Rodgers anywhere. And that's been the case from 2010 all the way to 2022. Enough already.
That's fair.
When he makes a decision, call me, okay? Because whoever gets him is getting a bad man because he's a bad brother. It's just that you ain't get it done.
Yeah.
I want it, this kind of attention is supposed to be reserved for champions, not people who came up short.
Fair
That's
enough.
all I'm saying.
Don't talk about it, be about it. Okay. Well, we'll certainly call you. Don't you worry when that news breaks.
He's a
You'll
champion.
be right on television.
But you know what I'm saying.
We get you, Cardi B. We get you. Living your best life out in Cali. I see you. Marcus.
West Coast SA.
Oh, by the way, Molly.
We'll be back.
By the way,
Molly.
Molly,
Yes,
as an aside,
tell me.
as an aside,
Yeah.
Swagoo, Molly Q,
Yeah.
I'm still here because Brick returns to Port Charles, and I'm here to just tape some scenes for General Hospital. So that's why I'm
Let's
here.
go.
Oh, that's happening
That's
today?
why I'm here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
General
Let's
Hospital's
go.
in the building.
Let's go.
Sonny
Okay.
Corinthos,
I'm here
a.k.a.
for it.
Maurice Bernard, has summoned me to Port Charles. I
I'm
got
here
business
for it.
to handle for the
Brick
mob.
gotta be back.
Brick's
love
got
it.
to be in the house.
I love
That's
it.
why I'm here.
America
That's why I'm
knows
here.
you've got range, Stephen A. He's a thespian too. Oh, there we go. Already getting into character in rare form on a Monday morning.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN Plus.